Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the MoonStruck K-pop viral edit that's taking TikTok and Reels by storm. So here I'm going to show you the full CapCut editing process from transition effects, and also that will give you your edit, the Dreamy K-pop cinematic glow. So this is the MoonStruck 10 everyone's talking about. Now let's just get started. So for the intro here, I'm going to set the first clip in 3 seconds, and for the rest you can set it to how you like it. So for me, I prepare 3 clips after the intro, these 3 in here. And now you can start by clicking on the intro video and go to adjust and lower the saturations of the intro video into -50, so it will become black and white like this. Hit on a check icon and now go to video effects and search for the FPS lag. Okay, apply it only to the intro video like this. And next, go to the video effects again and find the distort effect, this one, still on the intro video. Okay, now once you're done with the intro video, you can click on the next clip and add 2 keyframes at the start and end, and you can just zoom it in on the last keyframe like this. And for the next clip, you can do the same, add 2 keyframes, but for this one, zoom in on the first key, and for the next, zoom in on the last one. And add flow 2 grabs on each keyframe, so go in between keyframes and choose flow 2. Repeat the steps for all of the clip. So if you have more than 4 clips, you can just repeat it like I do in here. Okay, once you're done with the keyframe, you can now add animations to the clip. So start from the second clip animation and add the swing right animation. You can just search for it in here. This one, and apply it only for 0.2 seconds. Apply it to the rest of the clip. Start from the second one. Okay, after the animation applied, now you can just go to effects, start from the under the second clip here. Let's zoom it in. You can go to video effects and find the vertical blur. Now make it as short as possible like this, and add 2 keyframes like this. So first set it into 100 and add 2 keyframes at the start and end. Now on the last key, you can just make the effect to 0. Now duplicate the effects 3 times and then repeat all the steps for the next clips. Okay, I've already duplicated the effects for all the clips. Now you need to go to the video effects again And now search for a bleak blur. Okay. Okay, make the line the same with the first effect. Now set the oblique blur all to 100 like this, and add 2 keyframes like the previous effects. One at the start and the other one at the end. So at the second keyframe, just lower it all to 0. Now for this one, duplicate the effects 2 times and then do it for the rest of the clip. And last, under the second clip, you can go to overlay, add overlay, and find a white overlay from the CapCut library. So go to background and find the white overlay, this one. Click on add. Now adjust the size until it covers whole clip like this, and make the duration the same like the clip. So for the second one, I'm going to trim it like this. Go to splice and choose the overlay option. Adjust the intensity. I'm going to go with 50. Click on the check icon and then go to animation and add the fade out animation. Okay, now you can just duplicate this overlay for the rest of the clip, and don't forget to also adjust the animation again. And that's it. So this will be the final look of the MoonStruck K-pop edit. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.